Welcome to our channel.
Today, we will learn about different cat breeds. Let's get started. British Shorthair, Siamese Cat, Maine Coon, Persian Cat, Ragdoll, Oriental Shorthair, Abyssinian, American Shorthair, Burmese Cat, Exotic Shorthair, Devon Rex, Egyptian Mau, Manx Cat, Cornish Rex, Chelsea, Selkirk Rex, Turkish Angora, Somali Cat, Himalayan Cat, Korat, Norwegian Forest Cat, Russian Blue, Cow Maney, Scottish Fold.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you next time.